Whenever you get ready to replace your head on your weed eater, rotate your head. You'll find a little hole. You need to turn it till it lines up so you can put a screwdriver, a nail, screw, whatever you got in it. This turns clockwise. Should come off fairly easy. And I'm going to be putting the same kind on, Speed Feet 400 from Echo. And you want to install your new head just like your old one come off. Just snug it up, hand tight, plenty good. These weed eater heads are identical, other than this one being old. I'm going to show you how to load the spool. I don't have much line on the old one. The new one's full. I'm going to show you on the old one how to do the new one. Line out of it. You can see on your weed eater head, that's where your line comes out. On the top part that you rotate, you can look, there's an arrow on it. You want to turn that, line that up with your outfeed on your head for your line. Line it up. Then you want to feed your line through. You want to feed your line through your head. You want to get equal amounts of line. Then you want to simply rotate, which that would be the bottom part of your head after it's on the weed eater. Just wind it up. Now you're loaded, ready to go. The new one will do the same way.